That was good.
Good one, right?
Matt Hall.
John Watkinson.
And we're Larva Labs.
The idea came about that we should really make it about the code. You know, like Art Blocks is this very literal code generates art situation, and it's like, can we just put the code right in the foreground? Can we make it all about the code, where you're looking right at the code and maybe you're even operating the code as part of the artwork? So a Quine is a very special type of computer program that outputs itself. And that's very analogous to other self-reproducing mechanisms. So if you take the example of DNA in biological life, DNA defines how everything in the body is made, and it's also data that gets copied.
Quine is art that contains literally the code that can produce that artwork. One Quine can produce several variations of itself because it produces the code for itself, it replicates itself, makes subtle modifications that produce different outputs. What's interesting to us is pushing on a limit. And I think basically everything we've done, especially on blockchain, can be understood in those ways. And so the Quine structure was also the limitation we needed.
There's always a technical problem solving going on. You're always kind of pushing up against some limitation. I think we like our projects to, rather than to tell the viewer something, we want to show and do something that, or even allow the viewer to participate. And I think Quine fits into that tradition well, in that now this code is present in the artwork and you can create these additional generations of your artwork. So you end up participating in this idea rather than just sort of being told about it.